So, several months ahead of its anticipated launch, the Google Pixel 8a has already become a subject of leaks, with details emerging as early as September 2023, shedding light on its design elements. The most recent leak unveils the first glimpses of the retail packaging for the Pixel 8a, originating from Vietnam, a frequent source of Pixel leaks considering Google's phone assembly operations in the Southeast Asian country. These leaked images, shared on a Vietnam-based Pixel group on Facebook, portray the packaging in black, in line with the current Pixel phone aesthetics, affirming the continuation of the Pixel 8-like design characterized by rounded edges. A noteworthy revelation from the box label indicates the potential use of a USB PD power adapter, boasting a maximum power output of 27 watts, aligning with the specifications of the Pixel 8. However, it's crucial to interpret this information cautiously, as the suggested 27 watts does not necessarily translate to guaranteed 27 watts charging speeds. Drawing a parallel, the Pixel 7a recommended a 30 watts adapter but could only utilize up to 18 watts due to thermal constraints. It's conceivable that the Pixel 8a may face similar limitations. Even though Google is yet to officially unveil the Pixel 8a, various details have already surfaced, offering insights into what can be expected. Anticipated to feature more compact dimensions than its predecessor, the Pixel 8a is projected to measure 152.1 mm in length, 72.6 mm in width, and 8.9 mm in thickness, a slight reduction from the dimensions of the Google Pixel 7a. Display specifications, such as the size and 90 Hz refresh rate, may remain consistent, with speculations hinting at a potential Actua panel with elevated brightness levels. Internally, the Pixel 8a is expected to incorporate Google's Tensor G3 SoC, potentially underclocked or packaged more cost-effectively. Despite these adjustments, the chip's efficiency improvements are anticipated to contribute to prolonged battery life and reduced heat generation, addressing concerns faced by the Pixel 7a in terms of lasting through intensive daily usage. While the Pixel 7a garnered praise as one of the best budget Android phones, the Pixel 8a aims to raise the bar further with an array of anticipated upgrades. Google typically launches its mid-range Pixel phones in the summer, often coinciding with the May timeframe during the Google's I/O event. However, Google's release schedule is known to be adaptable, so slight variations in the launch date wouldn't be unexpected. As Google emphasizes the Pixel ecosystem experience, the Pixel AE series remains an affordable entry point for users seeking to join the Pixel lineup while enjoying Android as envisioned by the company. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 8a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.